Good morning, everybody. I am just loading up camera gear, actually. We're loading up, we're heading out to Limestone Mountain region here in Alberta. 410 expedition with Cappy, Bruce, and I'm not sure who else is all going to be out there. So we're going to go meet up. We're departing from Calgary Saturday morning here. The guys have already been out there since last night. Hopefully there's a few other stragglers like me that are showing up pretty much a day late too. But that's the way it is. It's a beautiful early fall day here in Calgary. Yeah, rain. It's probably a little bit of wet snow that's going to be coming down too. It's only like 3 degrees out right now, and we're heading into the mountains, so it's going to be even colder. Jump in, let's go for the ride, and meet up with Cappy, Bruce, and anybody else that's out there, and let's see what adventures we get into for the weekend.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think it's all angels just walk by. 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 There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul.
Rooftop tents. Oh, multiple rooftop tents. Want me to end it?
So we've made it here to 410 Expedition Overland summertime campout. Summertime. $17 rigs here, various trailers, tent setups, lots of Jeeps, a few Toyotas. Should be a good time. And the bannock bread is pretty much ready to go. Cut into it here to take a piece, take a look at the piece, and it's cooked all the way through. So we'll pull that off the heat and sit back with a bowl of soup and enjoy. No, I'll let it warm up for a bit.
Oh my God! Oh, I'm so lucky! Oh, yum.
Still got high spirits? Summertime. Summertime. We're not letting any weather for our spirits.
It's summertime somewhere.
Yeah. It's awesome. We're giving away just a few little prizes tonight, and when this kind of event, sorry, I'm never calling this an event, by the way. Ever. Just a meeting. This friendly camp out weekend, we hope for it to evolve even bigger. And this was kind of like a trial run. We wanted to do this, as most of you know, last year, this time, we wanted to have our first off-grid rally. It was warmer too. It was warmer, way too warm that caused forest fires. Everyone next time is wearing name tags.
Yeah, yeah, good idea. But then that looks like an event.
Reach in there, please.
We're just all stupid.
I don't remember my cousin's first name.
Yeah.
Got one? Glenn. Give me the other one that you have.
Oh, that too.
Glenn, throw that in. So, Glenn?
Yes.
Here you go. So we have some close friends in the U.S. that follow us, and we share stories. So there's a patch. Big Sky Overland out of Montana. It's not the Big Sky Overland rally that they had. This is actually the guy who actually named Big Sky Overland first. Maurice Morris is his name. So we want to say thank you to him. Morris. I call him Maurice. Maurice, yeah.
Is that French accent of yours?
Yeah, Maurice. They're a great couple from Missoula, Montana.
The guys have like
Sean.
which Sean?
That's Sean. Expedi Sean.
On the fire?
Burn it down! I'll start with the Nissan.
That's awesome.
Wow. Rick!
All right, so the next thing we have, Bruce has it. It's a bag of our very own Morning Rise Overland blend. Hope you have a grinder because it's just the beans.
Hope you're a coffee drinker.
Hope you're a coffee drinker. Yeah.
I'm a tea drinker.
Dad, if you win, we're buying it down.
There you go.
Thank you. Do you get that on camera?
I was writing that when it was snowing and raining and the ink was running.
Is it Ernie or Ernie? How do you spell that?
How do you say it? It seems like they're pulling their own names out.
E-R-N-E-I-G.
Mark.
I won.
We didn't
Yeah.
get coffee.
You better get a spare tire on your Armada because this is a trash room.
Oh, nice! So now you're going to have to build a bumper. Swing arm bumper.
Sweet. Nice. Thank
And the last item that we have,
One eye open.
the last item we have, Bruce a couple of years ago has a couple ladies that he knows through his daughter that do leather work for the law enforcement. So if you ever saw on our website, we do have some flasks. So we have one of our flasks that we're giving away.
I can't read.
Janelle.
No, that's
Hey.
Hey.
Where's Janelle? Right there.
no.
Oh, right there.
Are you a whiskey drinker?
Well, you're sitting there going like this, like what? Looking at you.
Well, it's great. Ernie makes the coffee and can help with the whiskey.
Yeah. Just grab your Irish coffee now.
Anyway, we think that, of course, everybody here is a winner, right? So if you didn't get a sticker, please grab one from Bruce. And yes, again, thank you.
Thanks for doing this.
Thank you for coming.
Sit down.
Without acting alone, have me control, have me control. You without have no soul.
Guys, you have fun coming down?
Yeah!
Like I said, we have an Armada, we have a Trailhawk. It doesn't matter what you have as long as it's capable. Get out here, enjoy the outdoors, enjoy new friends, new community. This is it right here. This is what it's all about. So get out here.
So that was our little weekend adventure with Cappy of 410 Expedition, Bruce of course, and quite a few others. I think we had 18 rigs, including the Vagabond Expedition rig back there, attend this little Overlanders weekend getaway. Yeah, it's summertime. It's still summertime in Alberta, and we got all this snow. So that was our summer adventure, and yeah, we're gonna hope for some of this snow to melt and carry on into fall and explore more here in Alberta. The area we were in was Limestone Mountain, and that's off the Forestry Trunk Road in Alberta. If you're not from the area and you're looking for awesome places to adventure to, definitely look up Highway 40 or the Forestry Trunk Road. You're going to see us doing a complete feature on that coming up soon. And yeah, it'll be highlighting some of the special little hidden locations, hidden gems, if you will, throughout Highway 40 or Forestry Trunk Road. That's it for now. Tune in next time and we'll have some more adventures for you in Alberta. Thanks for watching.